bandsaw that I went for is the Record Power Sabre 350. Now I bought this one off of the recommendation of the YouTube creator The Restoration Couple. The fence on it can go vertically, or you can put it down horizontally if you're cutting small bits. The fence runs along this nice solid rail, and you can slide it backwards and forwards very easily, and it goes all the way to the back, so you have a nice big clearance on the table. It comes with a 5-year warranty. It also works off of a 13 amp plug, which is very good for the size of the capacity that it can cut. And then I've just popped a Amazon LED light on the side, which then lights up the area. So if anyone's after a bandsaw, I highly recommend this one. 280mm of vertical cutting capacity. It also comes with a nice wheel kit so that you can move it around, and then we've just got a Axminster Craft 4-inch blower connected to it on the side.